Welcome to the Framer Awards. Since the end of 2025, thousands of sites came in from all over the world. Some were built to sell a product, some to tell a story, some to simply flex design chops. Different goals, same desire. Make something great. Today, we're giving out awards across these categories. Each winner receives $10,000 in cash, a physical Framer award, and some extra goodies to go along with it. So without further ado, let's jump over to Justin for Best Animations.
Motion and animation are at their best when they push a story forward. This year's winner created a blend of mesmerizing animations that helped communicate a mix of design history and product storytelling that we found absolutely stunning. The Framer Award for Best Animations goes to Analog Agency for their work on panton.vitra.com. Congratulations.
For a few awards this year, we did something different. We sent Emily and Ryan from our team to meet the winners in person and hand them the award on camera. First up, Best Newcomer.
We're in Warsaw ready to give this big check to Asha, who won the Best Newcomer award. Let's go.
Hello.
Thank you so much. It looks so obnoxious. I love it.
I've been a graphic and motion designer for the past 5 years, but I only started using Framer last spring, I think. I took a course. I had no web design experience before at all. The website that won me this award is the second or third one I ever completed. One of my best friends needed a portfolio made pretty fast, and I needed to finish my course. It actually took us 6 days to finish it too. I just did it for fun and for my friends. Work smart and have fun.
We go to Japan now?
Yes, we can go to Japan now.
The right interactions can transform a well-designed site into something unforgettable. This year's winner is a portfolio site, and while it contains plenty of great work, the site itself is definitely a showstopper. Bridging the gap between thoughtful design and obvious technical prowess, this year's Framer Award for Best Interactions goes to Bogdan Skrypka for his work on Bogdan.design. We can't wait to see what you build next.
A lot of sites are good at being informative, but very few really draw you in. This one grabs your attention, then keeps it. Part of a series of microsites built to make stories feel more alive on the web, the Framer Award for Best Storytelling goes to 27B for their L Fanning microsite for ID. Congratulations on this big win and beautiful site. All right, back on the road, Emily and Ryan headed to Germany for Best Framer Designer.
Hello.
Kylie, congratulations for being the Best Framer Designer award.
Thank you. Wow, so heavy. Wow. Thank you very much. I'm Lee. I'm the founder of 1042 Studio. We're a small studio here based here in Düsseldorf. I went to college to study green fiction design. It was very slow back then compared to the speed that we run it today, but it was also super interesting just to do things with your hands. I think Framer is a great platform because you have this canvas, you can be completely free in there. If you have an idea, you can build something extremely quick and you can ship it super fast on the same day. It's almost sparked a new life in me as a designer. I talk about this whole reliving my youth at the age of 25, and I think it's also hugely thanks to the community. You put something out there and then you get something positive back, and again it's that whole driving momentum to be a better designer, to do something new, and it's addictive because it makes me want to give back as well.
There's something special that happens when impeccable art and creative direction find their way to the browser, resulting in something that inspires everyone to push a little bit further and a little harder on their next project. This is that kind of site. The Framer Award for Best Visual Design goes to Matthias Mentasty for Temper.studio. Massive congratulations.
Plugins are where the community extends Framer in the most practical way. And one of the fastest ways to make a site feel polished is motion. So this year's winner gives you presets that look great right away. Plus expert control when you want to get specific about timing, triggers, and interactions. So the Framer Award for Best Plugin goes to Gunnar for Kinetic Type. Keep up the incredible work. Next stop, Dubai. Here's Emily and Ryan with the best Framer video.
Congratulations for winning the best Framer video!
You must be kidding me. Thank you so much. Hey, I'm Nandi. I run Framer University, which is mainly creating resources, components, tutorials, and helpful stuff for the Framer community. I want to do a video where I teach someone how to go from scratch to a website. I just enjoy that I can break it down, all the basics, building a project. When I was learning tools, when I was a bit younger and stuff, I always enjoyed these videos. I was also watching, videos like these. That's why Framer is special, because watch a few tutorials on it, jump in and build. And it's just so magical that things that you're building, the things that you're designing, are live on the internet, because you just hit publish and it's there. I'm Nandi, and I'm a Framer creator.
Okay, Nandi, we have a very special surprise for you.
A template isn't just a pretty demo. It's the starting point that people actually build businesses from. This winner is not only comprehensive and beautiful, but it's also free. Built for agencies and portfolios with a minimal modern layout that keeps the focus on the project while letting people put their best foot forward with tasteful animations and scroll effects. The Framer Award for Best Template goes to Fuel by West Hill Studio. Amazing work. Well done.
The winner of Best Framer Creator is someone who works really, really hard, teaching in public, running meetups and workshops, sharing practical Framer knowledge with the community, making videos that help people learn, and then making the next step feel doable, like how to turn that skill into paid work. And on top of that, he keeps shipping plugins and templates that other creators rely on. The Framer Award for Best Framer Creator goes to Ryan Hayward. Congratulations, Ryan. The entire Framer community is made better because of your hard work and dedication. This year, we added a new 11th category, Best Big Site. With more and more large companies building major marketing sites in Framer, we wanted to create something special for this. So to announce the big winner, we're headed to Switzerland.
You took that in a train?
Yeah.
It's for real.
I'm Sam.
I'm Dominic.
I'm Cedric, and yeah, we're Trueform. It was mainly me, a few project managers, Razali, which is the web lead at Miro, and yeah, we kind of shipped a few iterations of the first landing pages, kind of in a team of 2. And so I think it's really important to kind of like first take a step back and think, okay, how can we build this so it's like scalable, so like everyone can use it, do designs with Framer, we ship in Framer, and because this is kind of like the same step, you're probably like twice as fast as traditional agencies, and so that's probably also what sets us apart. We still like are able to ship more, like compared with traditional ones that are probably like 100 people or something.
The dev tools are really built for this, and that's not the case for every builder, so that's really cool to see.
This also like lifts off a lot of resources on their side, I think, in development.
In Frame, it really feels like first class.
The CMS scale, I haven't seen something bigger than Miro. Like alone, like CMS collections in framing with like, you have to scroll on a like a 20-inch screen, so it's like, I haven't seen something bigger. Yeah, don't be afraid, I would say, on making big things. You have complete freedom up to the imagination of the builder, and you can scale that thing to the moon.
To everyone who submitted this year, thank you. You're the reason the bar keeps rising, and you are what pushes us to keep shipping. Congratulations again to all the winners. We'll see you next year, and in the meantime, go build something cool.